jury, ito yung inyong pagkakataon na mabigyan ng statement sa ating final three. Simulan natin kay Tara. Over here.
Honestly speaking, I'm filming the younger. And I definitely want to first. Wala sa inyong tatlo ang dapat manalo. Alang kailangang manalo. Start with this. What was your basis when you voted me off? Amanda.
Wala akong personal anything against you. Kaya lang, at the time, kailangan kong sumabay sa nakararami.
Alright. How about you, Jeff?
Personal lang, alam ko na nahihirapan ako magkasama tayo sa camp. Yun lang yun.
Okay. How about you?
Alam mo naman na nung na-vote out ka, kababago ka palang kababalik sa merge. Marami na akong narinig na nagagalit, naiinis sa'yo.
Alright. Then sorry, guys, but I knew and I was aware that I'll be voted off that time. And I know Jeff sing around. Ang pasyan ko, sinong dapat, at sinong kailangan, at sinong malaki. Yung tipong lumalaban, nakikita mo magsilbi, hindi kagaya mo. Amanda, you're like telling me wala kang suspense. Yeah, right, I could say a lot of things about you because you're like based on tayo nagkasama. The fact that you said it to my face, you have blindside, akala niyo hindi ko alam na ako nag-vote yung time na yun. I was aware. The feeling that I know is everybody doesn't like me and you judged me. Wala akong kwenta sa inyo. And kaya sinasabi ko ngayon, then jury ako dito ngayon, may kwenta ang boto ko. Kaya, you tell me, why should I give my vote to you? If you don't like me, I don't like you either. Ang hayal yung mukha mo, if I look like this, say my name, you're more than I. You know, it's a truth, huh? You're pretty, but you know what? Parang insecure ka. Kaya please, magdasal ka. There you go, Jack. You don't deserve to be there. I even deserve more than you do. I should be there rather than I am here and choosing this kind of thing. Wait, silly ka. I don't think you're trying. Naghugas ka lang kaso yun ang alam mo.
Alam ko, pag kailangan tulong ko, tumutulong.
But you should try or really even do something. You don't really deserve it. And now you tell me, guys, what should I give my vote to you? I don't like you either.
Just be fair, ibase mo na lang kung paano ka nilaro. Tapos kung whatever makes you feel better, if it's gonna make you feel better to vote Justin, do what will make you happy.
Not chica. That's you. And that's being plastic because you don't want to hurt someone's heart. Am I right? Well, to attack, that's you.
It's not the truth, but it's how you feel.
Isa sa pinakaayaw ko at ako rin aaminin ko ang hirap na kasama sa mga taong plastic. Yes, hahatakin nyo hanggang sa dulo? The weakest? Ano, yes? Prinsesa? Nagkukunwaring mayaman? Hiya ka naman.
Hindi ako nagkukunwaring mayaman. Pag tinatanong nila ako, sasabi ko, hindi ako mayaman, pero tinatry ko na ibuhay yung sarili ko sa kung anong gusto ko na namumuhay.
Social planners. Well, it's me.
Hindi kita makikita. Hindi kita makakonvince.
Truth is, hindi mo kayang kumbinsin ako dahil mismo sa sarili mo, hindi, alam mo hindi ka katasabat. Right? Kaya maya ka na lang. Hindi ka masaya. Bakit? Kasi hindi ko to. Hindi ka matasabat ka. Naka-free ride ka lang. Okay, and for you, Justin? Pagkatapos ng merge, pinasanayan mo sa amin lahat na pwede ka namin tawaging co-survivors and lumaban ka and all everything. But after nung scroll, wala na kami nakitang Justin naman. So that makes me think so much of it. Like, I can't give a vote to like someone who didn't fight till the end. That's all.
Thank you, Tara.